are waiting for the program to start, the children's program to start, just one or two points I wanted to make about, why we are all here. As you're aware, this program, is conducted in HPCL under the auspices of ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. International Society for Krishna Consciousness. And the founder Acharya of ISKCON, I think I will come down, safer to be down. So the founder Acharya of ISKCON is His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. So I just wanted, most of you would know about Srila Prabhupada, but I thought I'll just make a few points about Prabhupada while we're waiting, so that we can all understand that who is this person and why we are standing here. So Srila Prabhupada founded ISKCON way back in 1966, almost 57 years ago. But first of all, we are celebrating Janmashtami here. Many of us would have been celebrating Janmashtami before we heard of ISKCON also. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम लोग पहली बार जन्माष्टमी सुन रहे हैं या पहली बार आ रहे हैं. We have celebrated in our homes. But Srila Prabhupada gave us an understanding of who is Krishna, what is this Janmashtami, what is the meaning of Janmashtami, how do we, understand it. So a very deep understanding of Janmashtami came because of him. Another important contribution was he gave us the Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. Now you may say Bhagavad Gita also has existed for many years. Correct, no? For many centuries it has been there, it has been preserved for centuries, for millenniums. But Srila Prabhupada, when he translated the Bhagavad Gita as it is in the English language, that Bhagavad Gita became the world's largest selling edition of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, translated into over 50 languages all over the world. So there are many wonderful stories of how, books were smuggled into countries by people. One devotee would smuggle a book into Russia, they would photocopy and they would all read it. Because it was under the Iron Curtain at that time. But this happened because Srila Prabhupada wrote a Bhagavad Gita, and this Bhagavad Gita actually changed lives of people. See, it's very nice to say कि Bhagavad Gita means what? Oh, हमें Bhagavad Gita मालूम है. We know Bhagavad Gita. गीता पे हाथ रख के कहता हूँ, जो भी कहूँगा, सच कहूँगा. सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. Or we say karmanyevadhikarasti. That's all. We don't go much beyond that. But Srila Prabhupada taught Bhagavad Gita in such a way that it transformed lives of people. They really understood who is Krishna, what is karma, what is jiva, what is prakriti, what is kala. So very beautifully explained Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam. He gave us So Srimad Bhagavatam was not very well known. I mean, I know that before we came to Krishna consciousness, we had never heard of Srimad Bhagavatam. We had read stories from Bhagavad, Amar Chitrikata, to refer to Bhagavad. But we never knew what is Bhagavatam. So he gave us Srimad Bhagavatam. Then, another very important contribution of Srila Prabhupada, which we tend to, ignore. Now you can see there are some very beautiful paintings adorning the walls over here. And especially that one, Yashoda Krishna. That painting you would have seen in thousands of websites, and so many people, use the paintings of ISKCON without acknowledging ISKCON. Painting ISKCON का use कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ISKCON है करके उनका कोई उल्लेख नहीं आता है. They never refer to ISKCON. But ISKCON has given the world insights into what Krishna looks like. This is because Srila Prabhupada personally trained his disciples on how to paint the beautiful form of the Supreme Lord, how to paint the form of his mother Yashoda, how to paint the form of his friends the Gopas. So it's so beautifully, all of these paintings, it is called, they're like the windows into the spiritual world to understand how Krishna looks like. So he gave us a view of what Krishna looks like. He gave us a view of culture. Like today, a few days back, there was one video circulating on WhatsApp which spoke about Sanatani culture. आजकल वो trend चल रहा है ना, everyone talks about Sanatani culture. So there was this video showing some Russian devotees dancing in Kirtan. And they had written there, देखो Sanatani culture has reached Russia, but in India we have forgotten. Yes, but how did it reach Russia? He gave that culture. Prabhupada actually gave not just the philosophy of Bhagavad Gita, but he gave a practical day-to-day lifestyle that all of us could, live by. It's very easy to give philosophy. It's very easy to answer questions related to philosophy. Incidentally, we have a stall outside. For those who have questions, you can come there. But, it's easy to answer questions. But to bring transformation in people's lives, not just in India, in countries like Russia, Lithuania, African countries like Kenya, Tanzania, I mean, you cannot imagine all over the world, wherever you go, you will find at least one ISKCON temple or center. So cultural transformation. Another important contribution was the Rath Yatra. Looks like you'll have to bear with me. Still going on. So the Rath Yatra is another wonderful contribution of Srila Prabhupada. As you know, this Jagannath Rath Yatra is celebrated every year in where? Where? Jagannath Puri. In Jagannath Puri in Odisha, right? But it was only being celebrated Jagannath, Jag ke Nath, whole world ke Nath, but it was Orissa Nath. Only in Orissa it was being celebrated in Jagannath Puri. Srila Prabhupada was the person who took Rath Yatra to the Western world. And today, all over the world, on the day that Rath Yatra is celebrated in Jagannath Puri, they celebrate Rath Yatra all over the world. You know, so many devotees, hundreds and thousands of devotees, they actually celebrate Rath Yatra on Rath Yatra day. He taught us deity worship. If you go to any ISKCON temple, all over the world, go to any ISKCON temple all over the world, you will see Hare Krishna. I won't be here because wo to chalte rahega. I'm sorry, but so you go to any ISKCON temple all over the world, you will see there is a particular standard of worship that is followed. Anywhere you go to any ISKCON temple, you will see very strictly they do the worship, very clean, very beautiful. 6 times a day Aarti is done. So again, this was again given by Srila Prabhupada. Imagine somewhere in Australia, Melbourne, Australia, there are devotees there who every day morning start Mangal Aarti at 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m., 4:30 a.m. in the morning they do Mangal Aarti. Means they get up at 3 o'clock. And then they, throughout the day 6 Aartis are done. So this culture was also given, deity worship was given by Prabhupada. And last but not the least, one of the two most important things that Prabhupada gave, he gave us the Yuga Dharma. See, many of us, we hear that, oh, there is Gyan Marg, there is Ashtanga Marg, there is Karma Marg, there is Bhakti Marg, but we didn't know what this Bhakti was. Srila Prabhupada gave us practical Bhakti. He taught us that the means for achieving the lotus feet of Krishna in this age of Kali is through the congregational chanting of the holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So through this chanting, he actually spread this holy name all over the world. Can you imagine that people from Russia, from Africa, from China, from USA, all coming together in Mayapur in India, near Calcutta, Mayapur, all coming together and chanting the holy names. And not just that, he also taught the principles of the 4 regulative principles, which is what, so all serious followers of ISKCON follow 4 regulative principles, which is what? No meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling. Can you imagine that Westerners following these principles? Because these principles are the foundation on which, our further spiritual life can be built. So this is the amazing contribution of this personality, Srila Prabhupada, and he was there. His preaching in the Western world for only 12 years, from 1965 to 1977. He left this world in 1977. That is almost 46 years back. But since then, his disciples and his grand disciples have been very sincerely following the principles that he has given, so elaborately explained in his books. Everything is there in the books, so it's very easy. So all of this is there, and therefore we are able to follow it with sincerity. And finally, looks like we are ready, just in time. So Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So now we will have the cultural program. As they say, Hindi में दिल थाम के बैठिए. अभी we are going to have a wonderful performance by the children. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
It was
Krishna.
really a mysterious ways of Krishna testing us to see we are all working as a team.
Actually, Mataji.
Yes.
And would like to thank Sri Dhamasaka Prabhuji for giving us the time so that we can prepare our stage.
Yes.
So it was a very wonderful experience while performing the Abhishekam. Apart from a minor glitch over here, we would continue to perform that. For what we are over here, we are here to celebrate Sri Krishna Janmashtami Maha Mahotsav. So, in that spirit only, we'll once again chant the holy name of the Lord to invoke the auspiciousness. So, together with me, we'll chant Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So that was a very wonderful experience while performing Abhishekam, and we would like to express our gratitude, sincere gratitude to His Grace Surya Krishna Prabhuji by loudly chanting 3 times Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So, Pravishtah Karna Randrena Svanabhav Saroruham Dhunoti Shamalam Krishna Salilasya Yatha Sharat. The transcendental sound vibration of Lord Shri Krishna, when it enters into the heart, into the ears of the realized soul, sits on the lotus of loving relationship of a devotee. It cleanses the dirt of material existence from their heart. Just like an autumn rain cleanses the pools of muddy water. So a very warm welcome to all of you for this HPCL Janmashtami Maha Mahotsav. So this is the 17th consecutive year which we are celebrating this Janmashtami in this very auditorium. We started our journey in the year 2007 in a very small way. But now, this is one of the most awaited celebrations in the colony, and many people are eager to take participation in this program. Many people over the years have actively participated in this program and have gained immense spiritual benefits. We are performing these celebrations under the banner of ISKCON Chowpatty, Shri Shri Radha Gopinath Ji Temple.
ISKCON was founded by His Divine Grace Abhay Charanara Virinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. And today, by His grace, we have more than 650 temples, along with Gurukuls, farmhouses, Govindas, and Gopal Fun School.
We are regularly having fortnightly satsang in our very TV room. A very senior devotee from our Chowpatty temple, His Grace Sri Dhamasaka Prabhuji, is very nicely explaining to us the pastimes of Supreme Lord Krishna from Srimad Bhagavatam and what are the practical applications in this present era. I am very much proud to say this thing, that more than 60 people have enrolled for this program and are regularly attending this program.
Prabhuji, I have an interesting thing to tell about the Gopal Fun School. Today, we have almost more than 100 students or children attending this Gopal Fun School, including all the colonies of HPCL, RCF, Tata Colony and BPCL. Isn't that a wonderful achievement? And these teachers are from Radha Gopinath Mandir, trained and certified, and they take classes on Bhagavad Gita, shlokas and Krishna Katha from the scriptures.
And for today, there is one special counter just at the entrance. So there is a quiz counter over there. So all those who want to test their spiritual knowledge may go there and have that quiz.
Prabhuji, are you also participating in the quiz?
No, I'm not.
Then what is that book in your hand?
Oh, this is none other than Srimad Bhagavatam. This book is non-different from Krishna and is full of wonderful pastimes of Krishna with all his devotees. And you know, Mataji?
Yes.
There is one special devotee who is being mentioned in all the pastimes of the Supreme Lord.
Who is that, Prabhuji?
You all want to know who's that special devotee?
Yes, do you want to know who that special devotee is?
Who wants to know?
Yes,
Hari
that's a
Bol.
good response.
So
Yes.
that special devotee is none other than Narad Muni. So big Hari Bol to Narad Muni.
Oh, Narad Muni.
Hari Bol.
Is that Narad Muni? Is that Narad Muni we are hearing?
Narayana,
Narad Muni only. Pranam Narad Muni.
Narad Muni.
Narayana, Narayana.
नारद मुनि आप यहाँ HPCL में
जहाँ जहाँ भगवान का गुणगान वहाँ वहाँ मैं विद्यमान। आपका यह HPCL भी तो वृंदावन से भिन्न नहीं है। हर वर्ष भगवान के लीलाओं का श्रवण करने के लिए मैं यहाँ आता ही रहता हूँ। ओह, श्रीमद् भागवतम, श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय।
जय।
यह भागवतम केवल एक पुस्तक नहीं, अपितु श्री कृष्ण का साक्षात शरीर है। भगवान के दिव्य लीलाओं का वर्णन है। श्रीमद् भागवतम और भगवान के दिव्य लीलाओं का वर्णन भी।
सही कहा नारद मुनि। नारद मुनि आज आप कौन सी कथा सुनाने वाले हैं?
आज की कथा के लिए हमें वृंदावन जाना होगा।
हाँ हाँ, जाएंगे जाएंगे।
क्या आप सब भी वृंदावन चलना चाहते हैं? हरि बोल।
हरि बोल।
तो चले वृंदावन।
अवश्य नारद मुनि।
चलिए देखते हैं श्रुति और स्मृति किस तरह कृष्ण का स्वागत करते हैं।
नारद मुनि हम नारायण नारायण करते हैं। नारायण नारायण करते हैं।
तरी कुकुंदन कीटक कधी तरी कुकुंदन कीटक कधी स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा मुनि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा मुनि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा मुनि सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं गोगदाप्त सुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलवा गोगदाप्त सुलभा सुपुष्पगन्धकलवा कस्तूरी तिलक महिमा ममकान्तदण्ड गोपदण्ड स्वागतं कृष्ण
देखो तो यह पूर्ण पुरुषोत्तम भगवान कभी वृंदावन में माखन चुराकर खाते हैं तो कभी गोप कुमारों के संग गैया चराते हैं।
छोटे छोटे बाल छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे बाल आगे आगे गैया पीछे पीछे बाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटी छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी बाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी बाल छोटा सा मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटा सा मेरो मदन गोपाल काली काली गैया गोरी गोरी बाल काली काली गैया गोरी गोरी बाल श्याम वर्ण मेरो मदन गोपाल श्याम वर्ण मेरो मदन गोपाल
छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे गाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे गाल छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटो सो मेरो मदन गोपाल
That was indeed a wonderful cultural program. The children really require a loud applause. Thank you, parents, for allowing your children to participate in all these activities. Once again, we announce before the stage is ready for the pravachan by His Grace Radha Gopinath Prabhuji. We would like to announce about the Gopal Fun School, which has been happening every week, also for children between the age of 4 to 14. And this is also happening in RCF, BPCL and Tata Colony. So please contact the people required for enrolling you there. And also every fortnight we have the satsang where Krishna Katha and Srimad Bhagavatam is taught. So please participate and get knowledge and spiritually progress yourself.